FacilityBot allows you to maintain a list of assets in your facility to track maintenance activities for each asset. Create, edit, or upload the list of assets in your facility for tracking. Link fault reports to the asset. Or link preventive maintenance checklist to the asset. Once linked, you will then be able to see the fault and maintenance history of the asset to make replacement or enhancement decisions. To find out more about how FacilityBot can help you track the maintenance of your assets, sign up for a free trial today.